Good morning, everyone. How are you today? Sorry, if I start coughing, I was outside quite a bit yesterday and my allergies, whoo! It's allergies, not COVID-19. Okay, so today I thought we would do a fun experiment with water and food coloring and coffee filters. And we're going to see what happens when you mix all kinds of colors together and you put the coffee filters in. Okay, so the first thing I want to show you is I have this little jar and you see it's almost full. We're also going to experiment and see if it matters that we have less water in each jar. Okay, but first we're going to do the jar that is the fullest, the one that has the most water. And I'm going to just put, I also have food coloring and coffee filters. So I'm going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That looks good. 7 drops of blue. Look how, oh, you can't see. Okay, look how pretty. And I think I want to put some green. What color do you think it's going to turn out to be, boys and girls, when I put green in there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sounds good. We did 7 blue, 6 green. Sounds good. Okay. Let me get a spoon. And we will stir it. Okay, do you see that? That's a really pretty kind of a teal. That's one of Miss Tiffany's favorites. Now, what color do you think it'll turn when we add some red? What's your prediction, boys and girls? Okay, I did 7, 6, is that right? Sure. And we're going to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red. What color does that turn it? It's kind of still just a dark greeny. And I'm going to mix 4 yellow. What's your prediction, boys and girls? What color will it turn? 1, 2, 3, 4. It's still just a really kind of dark green. Okay, so what we're going to do now is I'm going to scoot this back so you can see. And I'm going to stick a coffee filter in the water, just a little bit. And we're going to see what happens. Hey, Sissy, hold on. Be still. Okay, my kids, they like to watch these videos too, so most of the time they'll be in the back so y'all can't see them, but they're still watching me. Okay, I don't know if you can see, but there's colors coming up through there. So while we're waiting on the colors to go to the top, we're going to go ahead and work with this water. Okay, remember I said I wanted to kind of experiment with different amounts of water. This jar was really full of water, and this one is about halfway full. Okay, now I'm going to put some, let's do it backwards this time. Last time I had a lot of blue. This time let's put some yellow in first. 1, oh, that's great, a lot. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, we've got 7 yellow. Okay, do you see that? What happens when you mix yellow and red, boys and girls? It turns orange, yes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Look, it turned a dark orange. And this time, I want to put in, what color do you think it'll be when I put the green in to the orange? Yeah, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, hold on. Ooh, what color is that?
Brown.
It's kind of a brown.
But I think it's blue.
No, it's brown. And then I'm going to add some of these. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Can I put?
Not yet. You can in a few minutes. Okay. Now this is still a greeny kind of brown.
I wanna
Wait.
play.
In a few minutes. Okay, so I'm going to do the same thing with this water. I'm going to put the coffee filter in and see what happens. I've got to put it a little lower because I didn't have as much water. Okay, do you see how I've got the middle of the coffee filter sitting in the water? Okay, let's look back at the first one. Can you see what's happening? What colors do you see in there, boys and girls? You see different colors? I see some blue and some green and some red. Can you see that? Okay, now let's see what happens with this one. Okay, let's see. I think I want to try the red first this time. So, and this one had the least amount of water. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And what did we say happens when you mix red and yellow? It turns orange. 1, 3, 4, 5. And then some green. What color do you think? It turned brown in the other one. 1, 2, 3, 4. And some red. 2, 3, 4. That looks good. Ew. What color is that, boys and girls? It's kind of a greeny brown. Okay. So I'm going to put my coffee filter in this one as well. And then we're going to look back at the other ones and see what's happening. Okay, now this one I've got to stick way down there because I had the least amount of water. Oh, wow. You can really see this now. Okay, I'm going to pull it up some so you can see it better. Do you see how the coffee filters, let's see. Let me see if I can, if my cookie sheet will help you see it better. Okay, can you see the different colors? There's some blue and green and red. Can you see that? So we mixed a whole bunch of different colors, but you can see the blue and the green and the red really well. I thought it would just turn out to be brown, didn't you? That is really cool. I'm gonna go ahead and get it out and maybe you can see it better. I sit on my my cookie sheet. Okay, whoops. Can you see the different colors, boys and girls? The light's not very helpful. I don't know how to help that. But it's got the blue and the green, and then it's got a lot of red, kind of brown. But I bet if we left it in there longer, the brown would spread out even more. I think I might put another one in there, and tomorrow we'll look and see what happens. I'll take it out in a little while and see what happens. I'll stick another one down there. Okay. Oh, okay. Now look at this one. Remember we started with the green first. So the window is not helping. Can you see the different colors in there? The green is really bright at the top. I'm going to leave that in there too, and we'll see what tomorrow. Okay, now this one had the least amount of water, but you can see it better in the jar. You see the yellow and the green color? Isn't that so cool? The coffee filter sucked up all that water and food coloring, and it's spreading out all over the place. So I'm going to let these soak it up a little more until it gets all the way to the top. And then I'll get them out, and tomorrow we'll look and see what happens. Because we're going to do another activity with food coloring, coffee filters, and water. So I hope y'all enjoy this. Y'all go out and see if you can do these kind of experiments. Experiment with different colors. Maybe just do 2 colors. Maybe do more water, less water. Just go out and and experiment. See y'all.